Hello, this is Max Williams with United Real Estate, and today we're in Chesterfield, Virginia. Today we're going to take a look at a 4-bedroom, 2-bath tri-level. This tri-level is located here in a nice quiet cul-de-sac. We don't have many homes down here, so it's going to be a very quiet location. My sellers have been working hard to try to get this home ready for market. I actually sold this property to them approximately 8 years ago. And since then, they've had some familial expansion, and it is time to go. The next home is getting ready for them as we speak, and they are excited to move on to their next home, but kind of sad because many wonderful memories have been built here in this home, and it is a great floor plan. A lot of people really love this floor plan because it is so versatile and efficient. And when I say efficient, we've got 2 bedrooms that are both en suite. We've got 2 common areas in this home, and that is very tough to do in this price range, but it gets better. One of the toughest hindrances to ownership for some people is coming up with that down payment on those closing costs, and they are fortunately willing and able to offer $5,000 in closing costs to the new buyers. So that is huge, especially in today's market. That is a big benefit. Okay, as we come in, we have our family room. You can see we have a vaulted ceiling, really good space. We are open to the dining area and to the kitchen, which is straight ahead. We've got our stairs going up and then a closet right here at the front door. We're going to start here in the bottom level, and then we're going to make our way up. As we go down the steps, to the left is going to be our utility area, and we've got washer and dryer. All of the appliances will convey in this home. A little storage area there to the left, and then to the right is going to be a 3/4 bath. Now we're going to see that here momentarily, but I just want to show you we have an entrance there to that bathroom. We're going to go out back and see what our deck looks like. The deck was freshly power washed and paint is on the way. So it will get a fresh coat of paint and it'll be in great shape here for the new owners. Here in the backyard, we have a wood line, which is nice. You've got good privacy here in the rear. The home also comes with a storage building. So you've got plenty of storage there, here on the rear. We've got low maintenance vinyl exterior. Of course, low maintenance vinyl is a huge plus. You won't really have any painting to do on this home. Even the trim is vinyl material. All right, let's go back in and see what else we have in store. Directly ahead is going to be our downstairs family room. And this is a great space because it could be used as a media room. It could go a number of different ways. I know some people actually use it as a second primary bedroom. You've got the ability to do that because there is a closet there at the end. So very versatile space. It's rectangular in shape, and if you wanted to have a large television, of course, that would be very easy because you have all of it at that distance. So that makes it a very functional floor plan. Unfortunately, the adult spirits do not convey. You guys aren't going to get me in trouble with Virginia ABC. All right, here to the right is our downstairs bedroom. Now this is unique because here in the bedroom, we have the ability to access that 3/4 bath there right here en suite. So that's a very unusual feature to have 2 bedrooms in this size range house with en suites. So very convenient. If you had a situation with a multi-generational family, let's say you had in-laws that lived with you, then this could be their space. They'd have their own bathroom, and you could kind of isolate them here accordingly. All right, we're going to make our way back up to the middle level. Go back up the steps and to the right. Here in the kitchen, one of the things I love is that our kitchen is a modern upgraded kitchen. You can see we've got really good looking cabinets, modern hardware. All of the stainless steel appliances do convey. We have a high definition laminate as far as our countertop and plenty of counter space. Our refrigerator has ice and water in the door, and it's situated right next to that window that's going to let in a lot of good natural light. Speaking of natural light, we have another oversized window right here, right behind the dining table. So you've got the ability to sit here and enjoy a view of the backyard. Okay, we are now going to transition up to the bedroom level, and it is going to be, of course, right here up these stairs. This is a unique floor plan up here as well, because we do have a full bath that's right here to the right, but we also have the ability to access it from the primary bedroom, but I'm going to show you that here momentarily. Here to the right is our second bedroom. This is going to be the most conservative of the bedrooms, and this would also work beautifully as a nursery or a home office or even just storage. We have a linen closet convenient here in the hallway. Remember, our bathroom is right behind me. And then bedroom number 3 is right here. This bedroom features a chair rail as well as a partial accent wall in navy blue. Good natural light flows in through the front window there. And we, of course, have a closet. And directly ahead is going to be our primary bedroom. We are now on the back side of the house. We're on the rear corner. And I'm going to give you a shot here from the opposite corner. We can see we have oversized closet directly in the middle of the frame, and then access to our ensuite, which is directly ahead. We are actually going to go into the ensuite here from the hallway. Notice we have the double vanity. This is a really unique setup here for this double vanity because they put it there in the corner, which is a really interesting use of space. We do have a linen closet that's also right here in the bathroom. Remember, the other linen closet was right in the hallway. And then to the right, we've got our water closet and fiberglass tub shower enclosure. We've got the nice detachable shower head there. You guys have seen that before, just a great tool. And really good looking home. This home is definitely priced right, priced to sell, with the very generous $5,000 concession towards your closing costs. All right, that's going to do it for this beauty. If you have any questions about this or any other home on the market, my name is Max Williams. It would be an honor for me to help. I can be reached on Facebook under Richmond Area Foreclosures, on YouTube under my name, Max Williams Realtor. Please be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Also, would love your vote below. I'm going to put the link for the Best Agent in Richmond contest, which is going on now. Thanks so much for taking the tour. Y'all be safe. Have a great day.